Hello, Wes Lee with your weekly Mesonet Weather Report. Things have been tough for Oklahoma ag producers this spring weather-wise. Dry soil in the panhandle, a significant freeze, and now 2 weeks of damaging hail. Hopefully things will look more promising for our summer crops. Rain moved across the eastern half of the state this week, adding to areas that were already moist. Amounts started from less than 1/10 of an inch in central counties and increased moving east with 3.2 inches recorded at Clayton. Planting of summer crops such as soybeans and milo are in full swing in the west. Soil moisture, as seen in this 4-inch percent plant available water map, is pretty good. The western panhandle continues its drought run, and unfortunately, a few dry spots are showing up in Roger Mills, Greer, and Jefferson counties. Numbers in the 70s and 80s, such as seen at Woodward to Payne County, are probably ideal for planting. The eastern half of the state will have to do some drying out before getting back into some fields. Soil temperatures are about where they should be this time of year. This map shows 4-inch 3-day average temperatures under sod. They are mostly ranging in the low to mid-60s for most of the state as of Wednesday morning. Now here's Gary with the newest drought maps for the state.
Thanks, Wes, and good morning, everyone. Well, April's in the rearview mirror, and we look forward to May. Hopefully no big freezes like April had, and hopefully a little bit more rainfall in the west because drought is starting to look a little bit more ominous across that part of the state. Let's take a look at the latest drought monitor report and see what we have. Now, no real new drought per se. We still have that severe moderate drought out across the western panhandle, but we do have more areas of abnormally dry conditions spreading out into northwest Oklahoma and even into parts of central Oklahoma, as you can see from the latest map, going over to Kingfisher County, up into Harper County, down into Woodward County. Those are areas with that large increase in abnormally dry conditions that we're concerned with possibly seeing drought develop if we don't get some good rains through the rest of spring. So we can see the April rainfall amounts. Lots of good rains across eastern Oklahoma, of course, parts of north central Oklahoma, and even a little swath of good rains down in the south central Oklahoma. But for much of western Oklahoma, out in the panhandle, it was generally an inch or less in some cases. So those are the areas that desperately need rain. Remember, April's a big rainfall month for Oklahoma, and we missed out in a lot of areas. We can see those areas of deficits from the departure from normal rainfall map from the Mesonet for April. Again, that area in west central through central Oklahoma, about 2.5 inches below normal, so that's pretty significant for April. But lots of deficits across the western half of the state, even extending in some parts up into north central and into the east side of I-35. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.